Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, we've got something special for all you audiophiles out there. We're diving into the world of immersive sound with the best Bose speakers for your computer, the Bose Surround Speakers 700. If you're looking to elevate your home audio experience, these Bose Surround Speakers 700 are designed to take your sound to the next level. Let's get right into it. Now, what sets these speakers apart from the rest? Well, first and foremost, they are tailor-made to complement your Bose Soundbar 700, Bose Soundbar 500, or SoundTouch 300 soundbar, creating a truly cinematic experience right in your living room. These speakers might be small, but don't let their size fool you. They pack a punch with wireless connectivity, allowing you to enjoy a clutter-free setup. No more unsightly wires running across your room. Setup is a breeze. Just plug the adapters into a power source, wirelessly connect the receivers to your soundbar, and you're ready to immerse yourself in your favorite movies, music, and games within minutes. Now, here's the important bit. These speakers do require electrical power for the wireless receivers, but there's just one speaker wire connecting them. It's a small trade-off for the incredible sound they deliver. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need, from the Omni-Dual satellite speakers to the wireless receivers, AC2 adapters, power cords, and 2-pin speaker cables. Bose has you covered. These speakers are not just about convenience, they're about quality. Whether you're watching a thrilling action movie, listening to your favorite music, or gaming with friends, the Bose Surround Speakers 700 bring every sound to life. The surround sound experience they provide is truly unmatched. You'll hear every detail, from the gentle rustling of leaves to the booming explosions that make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. And here's the best part. They are compatible not only with the Bose Soundbar 700 but also with the Bose Soundbar 500 and SoundTouch 300 soundbar. So, you have options. But what if you want to take it up a notch? Well, Bose has got you covered there too. Consider adding the Bose Bass Module 700 to your setup for that pulse-pounding bass you can feel in your bones. Plus, it matches the design of the Bose Surround Speakers 700, giving you a premium, cohesive home theater experience. In summary, if you're searching for the best Bose speakers for your computer or home theater setup, the Bose Surround Speakers 700 are an excellent choice. They're not just speakers, they're a ticket to a world of immersive sound. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in transforming your audio experience, check out the links in the description below to get your hands on these incredible Bose Surround Speakers 700. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews.